Grip the blue and white retaining clip by its release hoops using a pair of pliers. Squeeze gently and pull until the clip releases. Press on the filter components from the interior of the cage to remove them. Discard the used medium. Reinstall the fine stainless mesh first, followed by the new filter medium. Then place the coarse stainless mesh against the filter medium. Position the retaining clip straight and even into the filter opening. Press evenly against the retaining clip on opposing corners or at the center of the top and bottom edges. An audible snap signals the retainer is secure.